Okay, in this video, we're going to do an unboxing of the Ninja Foodi Never Dull knife system. This is what the top looks like. Okay, you have like your warnings and whatnot. It's right here, like a quick starter guide. Okay, I'm assuming these are the knives. Let's take this box down. When Amazon was having their Prime Day, and you know how stores be trying to, compete and have their deals too. So I got this from Target. Okay. Okay, this is what comes in the box. I know I didn't mention each knife individually, but here's the names and how many you get right here. Okay, this is what it looked like. And this is a 12-piece set, in case I didn't mention it, or in case y'all didn't catch it from the box. Okay, and it means never dull because this is a knife. This is a knife sharpening system on this side. And you see it tells you how to sharpen a knife when they get dull, how often to sharpen them, and so on and so on. Yeah, this was just an unboxing, not a review, because as you can see, I have not used them yet, need to wash them. And then, yeah. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, y'all.